This is a reading from Wasuki's Gold Pocket Watch, pages 11 and 12. Saying I do meant losing U.S. citizenship. In 1914, when Rafaela Martinez married Wasuki Hirota in Tijuana, Mexico, because interracial marriages were illegal in California, she gained a husband but lost her U.S. citizenship. American women who married a foreigner received the nationality of the husband, according to the Expatriation Act of 1907. The woman's legal identity morphed into her husband's. Most of these women were able to regain their U.S. citizenship when their husbands naturalized, but those who married Chinese, Japanese, Filipino, or other men racially ineligible to naturalize gave up their U.S. citizenship. Since Wasuki was ineligible to naturalize, Ray, who was born in Irwindale, California, lost her U.S. citizenship for the next 27 years. She regained it on January 10th, 1941, 4 days after her birthday, thanks to a change in the law. The Nationality Act of 1940 allowed for women to sign a loyalty oath and recover their citizenship. Ray provided proof of birth and marriage and signed an oath of allegiance. 11 months later, her husband's loyalty became suspect when the U.S. government treated people of Japanese ancestry living on the West Coast as potential spies and saboteurs. Ray's ancestors, the Frihos, were among the founders of the city of Irwindale. Her heritage includes Chumash Shoshone, but Ray did not acknowledge her Native American heritage on official forms. The family says she feared that doing so might make her vulnerable to confinement in a government-run Indian reservation, or even in a camp similar to the one where Wasuki died, her great-grandson Raymond Alvarez says.